Hello, hello, hello. Am I live? You are going to see me? Hello. Am I audible? Hi Garima, am I audible? Hi. Hi Ashish. Am I audible? Okay, wait for a few minutes to join some more people. Hi Lakshmi. Hi Nandini. Hi Nandini too. There are two Nandinis. Hi Malavika Di. Hi Shubhaji. Priyanka, hi. Hello Ashwanji. Hi Abu. Okay, as you all know that now we all are going through the tough time. I hope you all are doing very well in this pandemic situation, and you know that I, I I am here to share the recipe of Bhapa Sandesh today. So uh, let me start with the ingredient. I am telling the ingredient right now. I have taken 2 liters of milk, some pieces of lemon, and I have powdered sugar and the kesaria milk. So, but before that, uh, let's start with the today's mantra. And what's that? It's stay home and stay safe. This is today's mantra. Welcome to my kitchen. Once again, I am repeating the ingredients. Here are 2 liters of milk, and I have already boiled the milk. There are some lemons. I have cut it into pieces and take out the seeds. Okay. Here is kesaria milk. I have put some kesars into it. This is powdered sugar. This is kesar for garnishing. And this is a bit of ghee. I'm going to make the chena first. I have already boiled the milk. I'm going to squeeze the lemon into it. Just be cautious as the milk is very hot. Chena is preparing. Yes, I need to add some more lemon. need some more lemon, so I'm cutting it into pieces. Taking out the seeds. Almost ready. Now I will drain out the chena water and make the chena lump from it. For that I need a bowl and a clean piece of cloth. It's very hot. You all can see that the water is coming out from this chena. Some more is left. I will wash this chena in cold water right now, and this acidic flavor will reduce. I'm taking some cold water into this bowl. I'm washing the chena. Now you have to squeeze the cloth and take out maximum whatever water is left, like this. You have to press it with something. Now the chena lamp is ready. Put this channel lamp into the bowl. This is the chena lamp. Okay. I am baking the sandesh in the microwave. So I need to put it, preheat the microwave at 200 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes. Now I will put this chena into the mixer. And I will mix it for couple of minutes. This will soften up the chena. As you all can see that chena is softened up. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of Kesaria milk into it. And I'm adding 5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. It can vary according to your taste bud. If you want the sweet, the Shondes is more sweet, so you can increase the number of tablespoons of powdered sugar. I'm adding 5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Now I will mix it for couple of minutes more. Perfect, and the mixture is ready to go into the oven. Okay, now in this bowl I'm going to bake it. So I am putting some ghee and I will put it around the edges with the spatula. Some more I need. Now I need to wash my hand because I'm going to use it. I hope you all are enjoying it. Give it a try and please send me the feedback in the comment section. Now I'm putting the chena mix into this bowl and level it up. You can add some elaichi powder if you want to. It's for the taste. I don't like the elaichi flavor, so I have not added it. I'm going to level it up with this spatula, and this preheat microwave is ready for the baking. Level it up. Just make sure you level it evenly. There are some varieties still inside this. You can see. We all use our hand while cooking. That's the Indian speciality. It's like we don't get the taste until the hand touches there. Especially for the fuchka and all, which we are missing nowadays. It's almost done. Now it's ready. For the garnishing, now I will put the kesar on top of it. It's ready to go into the kitchen. And putting it inside the microwave. Just a reminder, as you preheat the microwave, it's hot, so you have to take the caution. I'm already again setting the temperature of 200, but it's for 15 minutes I'm setting it. It's ready. It's baking. No, sorry. Some mistakes have done. It's baking now. Now it will take 15 minutes or 17 minutes. After 15 minutes you need to check whether it's fully baked or not. For that we all generally do. You need to put it, like you need to put this knife or something inside this dish, and if the chena still comes out, that's mean you need to cook or bake for a couple of minutes more. So let me read out the comments now. Okay. Kitchen t-shirt Shonge is matching with the color. Yeah, it is. Okay, what are the comments? Madam, I have used the hand Dalmia. Hi Garima. Okay, and hi Pujadi. Hi. Okay. Now I'm again giving this camera. Okay. Now it will take another some minutes. So due to the dearth of time, I have already made a sample ready for you. This is the sample. When this thing will come out, this is the sample after baking. This is how it looks. So I'm going to cut it into pieces. Okay, one more point. After taking out, you need to cool it up for 10-15 minutes. Then you will be transferring the baked item into the plate. The sandesh is ready, and if you want it cooler, so you need to put it for the refrigerator for 30 minutes or for 1 hour. I hope you all are liking it. Please give it a try and let me know. So thank you GBF family, thank you Devashish Da for giving me this platform. Thank you Ashish for helping me in छोटा छोटा जितना भी issues था, and thank you all who have watched it, and last but not the least, my husband who is behind this lens, and I'm going to finish it with the same message once again. In this time, the only thing you have to do is stay home and stay safe. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.